Hi, I'm Jason. In the past, starting an embroidery business meant that you would have to purchase an expensive embroidery machine, blank hats and clothing, and learn how to digitize designs and store inventory that you are not guaranteed will sell. But in 2026 and going forward, you can start an embroidery business, for example, selling hats, hoodies, sweatshirts, without owning an embroidery machine or purchasing products in bulk. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how you can start an embroidery business using Shopify and Printify. We're going to be creating an embroidery product by simply uploading a logo, and then from there you can choose its placement and thread color, and then you'll be able to generate professional mockups that you can add onto your store. For example, you can see them right here, and you'll be able to also calculate your potential profit, publish the finished product to your Shopify store, and I'll be explaining step by step how to do this. I've included links in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up to Shopify for completely free and also Printify. Now let's dive in. Once you have tapped the link in the description, you'll be redirected to Shopify's homepage. From here, you're just going to tap on Start for free and you'll be able to create your account. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And I want you to open a new tab and you're going to go onto printify.com, or you can tap the link in the description. And once you have tapped the link, you'll be redirected to Printify's homepage and you're just going to tap on Get Started for free. After you have selected Get Started for free, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner, right where you see my store name. You're going to tap right there and you're going to tap on Add New Store, and you'll just select Shopify. And after you have selected Shopify, you'll be able to connect your Shopify store. After you have connected your Shopify store, you're going to tap on Catalog. Then you're going to select Embroidery, and you're going to scroll down and you have different options that you can choose from. Whether you like to add your design onto a t-shirt, as you can see right here, jersey shirt, you have different options you can choose from, hats and so on. We're going to be selecting hats for this example. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Start Designing. After you have selected Start Designing, you'll be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, you have a few options. You can either choose to upload your design by tapping on Upload, or you can tap right here on Personalize, and this is where you'll be able to offer customers the option to add their own personalized design. Or you can tap on Text and you'll be able to add text, or you could select My Library if it is a case that you have already uploaded designs. So for this example, I'm just going to be selecting My Library. After you have done that, you can choose what you would like to add. So for this example, let's say I would like to add this. I'll simply select it. And you can see how it would look right there. And you could pull on the end to adjust it. After you have added it, what you're going to do next, you could select different variants. So we could tap right here. And let's say, for example, I would like to also add the black variant. I could do that. The dark gray, I could also do that. And then I would like to add also the stone and khaki variant. So I'm going to be adding these variants. Then we're just going to tap on Save Product. After you have selected Save Product, from here you'll be able to select the mockups that you would like to use. Then you're going to tap on Save Selection. Once you have selected Save Selection, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page now, you'll be able to scroll down, and from here you'll be able to edit the title. And you can also edit your description, as you can see right there. And you can scroll down. And you can also do that. So you could set the price that you would like to sell it for. You will see the estimated profit right there. And you're just going to tap on Publish. After you have selected Publish, it is going to automatically be pushed to your Shopify store. Once it is added to your Shopify store, from there I'll show you what to do next. Now that it has been published, if you were to go back into Shopify and select Products, then from there you can see it right here. And if we were to preview it, you can see how it looks. So from now on, someone will be able to go onto our store, and from there they'll be able to choose the color that they want. So you have different colors, as you can see right there. And just like that, they'll be able to purchase and add. And you can also add your design on different products. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.